So, porcelain blades. Here at TilersTools we've taken away the pain of choosing, because as you know there's many blades out there and it's a nightmare, a minefield. We've selected 4 types. Firstly, our blue turbo blades. These cut fast and clean through hard materials such as porcelain and granite. Various sizes, from machines to angle grinders. Next one, our continuous rim blade. Again, fantastic quality. Purposely made for porcelain. It'll cut very quickly. Quality cuts, various sizes. Next, the general purpose blade. Bigger gaps to get rid of the spoil from the cuts quicker. 2 sizes, 250, 350 for concrete materials, blocks, paving, etc. Last but not least, we've got the Stihl saw blades, entry level, concrete and general building materials, middle of the road, granite, hard materials, and last but not least, the ripper blade. This will absolutely destroy tree roots, sleepers, and any old wood that you want to bash your way through rather than knacker your Stihl saw. So there you have 4 in the stable. Pick the blade for the right material and away you go.